Welcome to All Ages Fitness channel, where anyone can get stronger, move better, and live healthier. Have you ever gotten out of bed feeling stiff, tight, or sluggish and wondered why? After several hours of sleep, our joints and muscles naturally become less active. The good news is that you don't need an intense workout to feel better. Just a few minutes of gentle movement can help wake up your body, improve circulation, reduce stiffness, and prepare you for the day ahead. In today's session, we'll move through 5 simple mobility exercises designed to loosen the spine, shoulders, hips, and ankles, the areas that tend to feel the stiffest in the morning. This routine is beginner-friendly, joint-friendly, and suitable for adults of all ages. Move at a pace that feels comfortable for you. And remember, mobility improves with consistency, not force. Let's get started. Number 1. Cat-cow stretch, 60 seconds. Start on your hands and knees. Place your hands directly under your shoulders and your knees under your hips. Take a comfortable breath in. As you inhale, gently arch your back. Lift your chest and look slightly forward. Feel the front of your body opening. As you exhale, round your spine toward the ceiling. Draw your belly inward and tuck your chin toward your chest. Move slowly between these two positions. Don't rush. Focus on creating smooth movement through the entire spine. Imagine each vertebra waking up one at a time. If kneeling is uncomfortable, place a folded towel under your knees. Keep breathing naturally throughout the movement. Number 2. Standing arm circles, 30 seconds each direction. Stand tall with your feet about shoulder width apart. Extend your arms out to the sides at shoulder height. Begin making small circles forward. Keep your shoulders relaxed and your chest lifted. Gradually increase the size of the circles if it feels comfortable. You should feel the shoulders, upper back, and chest gently warming up. After 30 seconds, reverse the direction. Move smoothly and avoid shrugging your shoulders toward your ears. This exercise helps improve shoulder mobility and encourages better posture throughout the day. Number 3. Standing hip circles, 30 seconds each direction. Place your hands on your hips. Stand tall with a slight bend in your knees. Begin drawing large circles with your hips as if you're tracing a circle around your body. Move slowly and with control. Allow the hips, pelvis, and lower back to move naturally. This exercise helps loosen the hips and lower back, making walking, bending, and daily activities feel easier. After 30 seconds, switch directions. Try to make the circles smooth and comfortable rather than large and forced. Focus on quality movement. Number 4. Open the gate, 10 reps per side. Stand tall beside a wall or chair if you need support. Lift your right knee toward your chest. Slowly rotate the knee outward to the side, then lower your foot back to the floor. Imagine you're opening a gate with your hip. Repeat the movement on the same side. Keep your upper body upright and avoid leaning excessively. You should feel gentle movement through the hip joint. After completing 10 repetitions, switch to the opposite leg. This exercise improves hip mobility, balance, and walking mechanics. Move slowly and stay in control. Number 5. Heel-to-toe rockers, 20 reps. Stand tall with your feet hip-width apart. Slowly rise onto your toes as high as comfortable. Pause briefly, then rock backward onto your heels, lifting your toes from the floor. Continue moving smoothly between the two positions. Try to keep your movements controlled rather than fast. This exercise wakes up the ankles, calves, shins, and feet while improving circulation and balance. If necessary, lightly hold onto a wall or chair for support. Keep your posture tall and your movement steady. Excellent work! You've just completed a quick mobility routine designed to help your body move better, feel looser, and start the day with more energy. Remember, you don't have to spend hours exercising to feel the benefits. Even 5 minutes of daily mobility work can improve flexibility, reduce stiffness, support healthy joints, and make everyday movements feel easier. The key is consistency. Try performing this routine every morning for the next week and notice how your body feels. If you found this routine helpful, please subscribe to this channel, like the video, and share it with anyone who wants to move better daily. Thanks for exercising with All Ages Fitness, where anyone can get stronger, move better, and live healthier. Take care, keep moving, and have a wonderful day. We'll see you at the next workout.